Welcome to another InvoiceBerry tutorial. Today we're looking at how to add a new client to your InvoiceBerry account. You can do that by heading over to Clients and then select New Client. First, enter the client name, the country the client is located in, the street, city, state and postcode. You can then also enter a text name and number for that client, if the client, for example, has a VAT number, the default language and currency, and then press Next. Here you can enter the client's contact details, and the phone and mobile numbers, and you can also add additional contacts. Then click Next. Here you can enter notes that can only be seen by you and nobody else. And click Add Client. Your new client has been added. You can also add a new client by going to Invoices, New Invoice, and in the invoice creation process, instead of selecting an existing client, you can click on Add New, and this is our Quick Add functionality for new clients. That's it.